And now we are ready to put a roof on this little building of ours. So we can go down and look at our south elevation. There's not much going on there. Okay. And our north elevation, east and west, not going to be too much. Let's go up to our top of plate floor plan, which means we're now up at the top of plate level. Our walls look a little grayed out. Okay. Now I can go pick my roof tool off of my quick access toolbar, or I can do it the long way by clicking on home. When you click roof, there's roof by footprint. Okay. And you can also click on here and you can say, you know, soffit, fascia, gutter, roof by extrusion, different roofing tools. We're just going to use the regular roof by footprint. And when you place a roof, you can either draw lines or you can, oh, it's asking me to save my project. Let's go ahead and save this by hitting Save Project. And now we're going to pick a folder. And I'm going to place it in this folder here under My Documents and Projects, Double Car Garage folder here. Okay, and I'm just going to call this, you know, Double Garage. And it's going to put an RVT Revit file. So I've saved that, if you haven't saved it already. And that just, the save thing just pops up because there's a setting that says automatic save every so many minutes. So it had noticed I hadn't saved. So now let's start this again. Back to home. Okay. And oh, let's just cancel the roof tool here. Okay. Start again. Home, roof, by footprint, pick on here. First thing you'll notice is to get out, you have to hit cancel roof or you hit finish roof. We go into sketch mode. When we start to draw a roof or stairs or floors, everything kind of gets grayed out, and then special create roof mode. What I'm going to do is set an overhang of, say, 18 inches on here. Okay. Don't forget to put inches. And then I'm going to also go over here and check my roof properties by picking up on here on the ribbon. And I can see it's a generic 12-inch thick roof, and I'm going to change that to be only 9-inch deep. Okay, that's the thickness of the roof cord. Okay, with the sheathing, etc. So I'm going to change my roof type there, and now I've got my overhang set here, and now I can click in here and hover over here and go click. Off of that wall, 18 inches. Off of that wall, 18 inches. Off of this wall, 18 inches. Off of this wall, 18 inches. These little guys mean that each edge is being sloped. So that's sloping up, sloping up, sloping up, sloping up. I'm going to hit escape once, escape again. Pick on this one guy and say, no, you're a gable end. Pick on here and say, no, you are a gabled end. So sloping from here to here, it's going to meet in the middle. Okay, I can also go in here and check on the slope of the roof. It's set to be a 912. I can set it unit to be 712. Hit OK. Now I say finish the roof, and because it was up at the right level, it's going to go in at that level. It looks a bit funny here because it is, first of all, clipping the roof at about 4 feet above the plate line, because that's where my cut plane is. And I've also got my level 1 overlaid, or I should say underlaid, here in this view. If I right click on here and I go to the view properties of my top of plate, you will see that it is underlaying top of foundation, the floor below, which is fine. I don't mind seeing that. If you don't want to see the level below, we can say no underlay, hit OK, and all you'll see is this. If I go SD on the keyboard, shaded mode. HL on the keyboard is hidden line mode, or we can go down and use these guys. So now I'll go to a 3D view, and there's my little garage with my roof. Okay, SD on the keyboard. Now I'm going to take this gable end wall and say attach to this roof, and it will push itself up and form it. Shift on the keyboard, middle mouse button around here. Pick on this roof, attach to this roof, click out, shift middle mouse button back over to here. Okay, so there's the start of our little garage building with our roof on top.